Hey guys, it's Lisa. I got a package from IeeBee. This is a brand new company to my channel. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to pick some items from their website and do an unboxing video. And I said, sure. They have very nice products, mostly washi tapes. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. Maybe I don't have the right scissors, but they packaged this quite well. Only me can do a very clumsy unboxing because I am not graceful. Okay. This is the approach I took. I'll stick with it, but maybe next time I will open this stuff before coming on camera. Alrighty, there we go. Let's see what we got. So IeeBee, let's start all over again. They specialize in beautiful washi tapes in very pretty boxes. They also have junk journaling supplies. They asked me if I would like to pick a washi tape set and another item from their website, so I picked these two. Before I show you what's in there, they also include this washi tape inspiration book, 100 plus ways to use. I like that because I'm always looking for inspiration on what to do with my junk journaling products. And basically it looks like there are 100 pictures in here on what to do with washi tape, like put it on glass. Doesn't necessarily have to be on paper. Very nice. Very nice. I am definitely gonna save this. You can even put it on tags and make cards, etc. All right, very cute. I really like this. And here are their socials. I will put the link down below in the description box to their website. Of course, I asked for a discount code for you guys. I got 30% off with the House of Jane. I'll put that down in the description box as well. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the washis. Like I said, their sets come in really nice boxes. This one is called Floral Whispers Blue Garden. It's 13 rolls of washis of various sizes. Really cute box. And, it has a little tape here. Let me get a more dainty scissor instead of that big black one I had. Okay. I don't want to rip the box. There we go, tape there. And tape here. Okay, let's see. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So we have 2 rolls wrapped in plastic. And let me show you. I'm telling you, something smells really good in this packaging. I don't know what it is, but it smells delicious. Okay, we got those. And let's go to this one first, because this is what interested me most about this set was the features of a woman. And I like putting people into some of my creations. Now I see a glare. I'm trying to get rid of this glare. I got my last video I did. I tested out a light assembly. If you're interested. It's a light assembly of a magnifying glass, and it's raining here in Florida right now, and I have that light assembly on. But you can see this is really pretty. So I can tell from the feel of it, peels off just like that. So you have to peel it to get to the sticky side. It's not like it's going to peel off the roll like masking tape. Very nice, very nice. I like the images. Beautiful. So a lot of these images you can cut out with an X-Acto knife or scissors. Really gorgeous. Okay, that's the main one, and the rest are flowers. This one has letters, like the alphabet. Numbers, alphabet, the whole alphabet, and numbers 0 through 9. So you can do a lot of stuff with this as well. And then we have flowers, blue, but they look like cornflowers. I don't know, but it's a repeat of this flower. And then we have 3 more tapes, which I won't open because it looks like you can get the gist of it from here. Okay, let's go take a look at this one. Everything smells so clean. I like that. Let's go to the big ones first. This is alphabet. It looks like a repeat of the other one. Maybe, no, it looks exactly the same as the one I just showed you. And then we have this one, which has little quotes and obviously the blue flower theme. Really pretty. Then we have another repeating flower here. They almost look like watercolor flowers. Really gorgeous. And then an assortment of washi's here, smaller ones. Really pretty. Oh my goodness. So what do you think is in this box? You know I had to pick another journal. Ooh. I'll leave the product links down below too. Very nice. I think this is an A5. I will also let you, I'll put it on the screen what size this is. But what I really liked about this one is it's like a little loose leaf book, right? It's full of paper. And you can take out the paper just like this and craft with it, either inside the book or by itself. Or you can add different papers, because I have papers this size as well. This is just a really nice, like, travel journal. You have this leaf here as well, really pretty. So you would tie it up like that, like so, or you can just stick this in here. Stick the leaf in. Isn't that pretty? I'll leave all the details down below because I don't remember how much it cost. But I think it's really nice. And this is definitely leather. So I thought I would do a little craft with me with these new tapes. Let me get situated and show you what I make. So I thought I would work in the book that they gave me. I really don't have anything planned. I have some scrap pieces of paper and a stamp I once got at a discount for a few bucks. And I've never even used it yet. So let's see what I could create with this kind of thing and the washi tapes and using this book.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could I'd still